This is a brand new way to make money without doing anything. We'll not only explain the process, but also put this method to the test with you and document my entire journey in upcoming videos so you'll be able to follow and see the results firsthand. But first, let me explain the business concept so you can better understand what we will cover in this video. So we're going to use ChatGPT to make digital products, then design these products and list them on Etsy to generate passive income. So at the end of this video, you will learn powerful techniques to find winning products and use ChatGPT to speed up the process. We will also talk about the creative side by showing you how to use Canva to design a digital product that looks like it was made by a professional. You will also have the chance to get custom-built templates pack, which will help you stand out from the competitors. Then I will show you how to open an Etsy shop and get 40 free listings so you can start for 100% free. And finally, I will show you step by step how to publish your products on Etsy the right way. This video has a lot of good stuff in it, so don't miss any of it. When selling digital products on Etsy, it's important to sell something that people want to buy. Most importantly, you should always try to make unique products that differentiate yourself from the competition. And this is where my methods for doing research come in. There are many ways and tools that help you find products to sell, but I know a very simple and effective way to do the research for free, and that is by using this search bar up here. But before you start, you need to know exactly what you want to make. So I asked the chatbot for suggestion. As you can see, there are a lot of ideas to choose from. I also know that digital planners are always very popular. I decided to keep going with this type of product, but I'll go with print instead of digital. Now it's time to niche it down so we get a specific product targeting a particular audience. So I ask again for possible niches and target audiences, and as usual, ChatGPT never lets you down. Health, wealth, and relationship are my favorite categories to start with. That's why I choose self-care enthusiasts. And to be honest, I was proud of the end product, so keep watching to see how it came out. To recap, our goal now is to create a printable planner targeting people who want to improve themselves. And now it's time to do research on Etsy to make sure the product idea is good and to see what's already selling. Start by putting your keywords into this bar. So I'll type something like self-care enthusiasts in my case. You'll get a lot of results, and now all you have to do is look through them and see what catches your eye. Once you find something, you can move on to the next step, which is to analyze it. And there are two important things to pay attention to. First, you have to choose a product with enough reviews, and then you have to make sure it keeps getting new reviews. If a product gets new reviews often, that means it is selling well. As you can see, there are a lot of reviews for this product, and all of them have just come out. And if a product gets several reviews on the same day, it's a good sign that it's selling well. So I decided to make a product that was like this one. Let's start looking at it. First, try to get an overall idea. So for instance, what it has, how many pages it has, what style they use, etc. Then look at the reviews to see what people like and, more importantly, what they don't like. For instance, this review says that the design is easy to use, so we should keep our design simple and not make it too hard to use. And according to this review, there are too many choices. So for example, we can try to make a one-page design by reading as many reviews as we can to get enough information. And in the end, you should have a similar list of what people like and don't like, because if you know what people like, you can make something that has been shown to work. And if you know what people don't like, you can make your product better. This will make you stand out and bring in more customers. This means that what people like plus what they don't like equals a unique, high-quality product. So after doing the analysis, I decided to make a one-page habit tracker with 2 other pages to sell as a bundle. And now it's time to use ChatGPT and Canva to design the final product. But please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video so far. I usually make things that are similar to what my competitors are making, and this method still works very well. But I decided to use ChatGPT for something different. I did the following. I typed in the design I wanted to make and then the design layout. After many tries and conversations with the chatbot, it made a detailed layout that I can now use as a starting point. But remember, you don't have to copy the design exactly. Instead, use it as a starting point to save time. Once you have an idea of what your final product will look like, head to canva.com to start the actual design process. All you have to do is search for the design you want to make, and you'll find a tons of templates that you can use right away. Then it's easy to start moving things around, changing colors and fonts, adding and taking away things, and doing a lot more. So I used Canva for about an hour, and this is what I came up with. I started by making a habit tracking template, which is the main part of my product's design. I didn't copy the ChatGPT answer. I also created 2 more designs, daily planner and a gratitude journal. And as you may have noticed, I kept the same style for all 3 templates because one of the reviews of a competitor's product said that the pages didn't match up. So let's hope that we can now stand out even more. When you're done, you can print the template by downloading downloading it as a PDF. After that, I made the images for the listing in less than 10 minutes. As you can see, this will be the main image that shows all 3 templates, and then each template on its own with a short description made with ChatGPT. You should now have all the images you need for your product and listing. This means you are ready to open your Etsy shop and list your first item. Now it's free to open an Etsy shop, but it costs 20 cents to list a product. Once you click open a shop today, you'll have to fill out some information about your store and yourself. Also, to open your store on Etsy, you have to list at least 1 item. You can put anything here, and then you can get rid of the listing. Once you're in, your dashboard should look something like that. On the left side, you'll find all the settings you need to manage your store. The first thing you should do is edit your shop's profile, add a photo and banner, and put your picture here as the shop owner to build trust you when they come to your store. Canva has a lot of templates for Etsy sellers that you can use. After that, click on listing and then add a listing. Upload the listing images you've created on Canva. You can also add a video, but I won't do that right now. Then you have to type in the title of the product. This is very important because you need to include keywords that help people find your product. Look at what your competitors are doing and try to do something similar. Then choose the type of product. For me, it's in the section for calendars and planners. Then set the option for automatic renewal, and most importantly, make sure that the type of product is set to digital. Then you can give more information about your product, like what it comes with, how to use it, and so on. If you want, ChatGPT can also write the description for you. After that, add tags here related to your product, and here is where you can set your price and quantity. I think you should start with a low price and then raise it after you make a few sales, but it's obviously up to you. Here is where you can upload the PDF print file for your product that has all the templates. This is what your customers will be able to download after buying. Then click the Publish button. Congratulations, you've just successfully listed your first product. Now all you have to do is keep listing new products regularly. Etsy will take care of everything else. You don't need to worry about getting the product to the customer or getting paid. Because of this, I think selling on Etsy, especially digital products, is the best way to build a steady stream of passive income. This video has a lot of information, so I know it might be hard to follow. So I think you should watch it again and follow it step by step. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.